So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm still your one and only Splendor Creations, and on today's tutorial I'll be taking you along on how to sew a scrunchies, how to make a scrunchies, the easiest way to make it. So let's go guys. So for the purpose of today's tutorial on these scrunchies, I'll be using 25 by 5. So by length is 25, then by width is 5. So I have something like this, then by 5 inches. So this is what we'll be using to work for today's tutorial. So now on the sewing parts, guys, pay attention. This place now, we are going to sew on this line in order to turn it the other way. But before sewing, remember, we are not going to start from here. We are going to give like 2 inches away from this end before sewing. So I will start around here. Later we'll see why we are leaving this space, and we'll do the same thing at the end of this place too. So leaving a space some inches away before sewing. Let's go. We are going to turn it outside. So now that space that we have left, this is when it will now be useful to us. So in order for us to join it, this is how we are going to do it. We hold the both ends. You see the right side facing the right side. So make sure it's aligning, because if you make mistake, then it won't come out on a plane. It will be folding, like it won't be straight. So I've placed it in alignment, and I'm going to sew like so. So this is it. You see, and this place is still opening. So this is what I mean by you leaving that half 1 or 2 inches away before sewing, before closing this part. Now we are going to pass elastic from here, and when we are done, we are going to use the hidden stitch to stitch here with hands. I'm using 5 inches for the elastic, or better still, let me use 6.5. I'm using 6.5. So another trick that I do is that I do add this safety pin at the end of the other side, so that even if it enters inside, I can still bring it out. Our scrunchies is making a lot of sense now, so I'm going to join these 2 ends of the elastic together. So you can either tie it or sew on the machine, but me, I prefer to sew on the machine. Make it smaller or leave it like so. Like me now, I like the size of this one, so I wouldn't need to make it smaller. And if you want to make it smaller, the only option is to reduce the elastic. You now use 6.5, So you can reduce it to 5 to 4 depending on what you want. And a hidden stitch on this place, on this opening. So follow me guys, I have my hand needle here. So neatly I put the needle immediately where that your sewing machine thread stopped, inside. Then you go the other way, you come out. This is how to run a hidden stitch. I'm not putting it inside. Then you come over to the other side. You place your needle like so. Like so. You bring it out. Then on the other side, so you come back to your initial line. You place your needle like so again. You sew. Then to the other side, just continue the same thing till the end. Just like this here, so come back. This is how to run a hidden stitch. So when you are now done, you pull the threads together. It will enter inside as though the machine has made it or sewn it. So this is it. You do it till the end of the scrunchies. So when I'm done, I'll just drag it in order to make sure that it has been neatly, arranged inside. I'll intentionally drag it so that I'll make sure that any excesses has been corrected. Then I'll now take it back to the normal size. So now I'll tie it. I'm not going to leave this thing that I've tied here. I won't leave it like this. So I'll try to, from that same position, I'll try to take my needle inside. Then I'll drag it so that thing that I've tied will go inside. So I'll drag it. So this is what we have after sewing. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that whenever I post something like this, you'll be the first to be notified. Hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel and comment too. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.